Volcanoes are where Earth's inner fire meets the sky. This is a stratovolcano, built layer by layer over thousands of years from ash, lava, and rock. The snow on top tells you how high it reaches, so high that even near the equator, the peak stays frozen. But beneath that ice lies a sleeping giant, capable of reshaping entire landscapes in hours. When a volcano goes quiet, life returns. The minerals in volcanic soil are incredibly rich. That's why the slopes of old volcanoes become some of the most fertile land on Earth. Forests grow fast, ecosystems recover, and what was once destruction becomes the foundation for new life. This is a sign that the volcano is active. The smoke and gas you see are mostly water vapor, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide rising from magma deep underground. Before an eruption, pressure builds for months or even years. The mountain breathes, releases steam, and warns us that something big is coming. Scientists watch these gases closely, they're nature's early warning system. When the top of a volcano collapses or erodes, it forms a crater. If rain and groundwater fill it, you get a crater lake. The water looks calm, but it's often acidic and heated from below. The steam rising from the surface shows that the magma chamber is still active, just meters beneath the water. These lakes are beautiful, but deadly. Sudden gas releases have wiped out entire valleys. At night, the true power of a volcano reveals itself. The red glow is molten rock, called magma, rising from over 100 kilometers below the surface. When it reaches the surface, we call it lava. The temperature can exceed 1200 degrees Celsius. From space, these eruptions look like stars being born on Earth. They've been happening for billion years, since before life existed here. Over 800 million people live near active volcanoes. Why? Because the soil is fertile, the views are stunning, and geothermal energy is abundant. But it's a calculated risk. Cities like Naples, Tokyo, and Quito exist in the shadow of giants. Modern early warning systems, evacuation plans, and monitoring stations give people a chance, but nature always has the final word. This is lava in motion. It moves slowly, like a river of fire, burning and burying everything in its path. But it's also how new land is created. The Hawaiian Islands were built entirely by lava flows over millions of years. Where lava cools slowly, it forms solid rock. Where it cools fast, it shatters into volcanic glass.